Hello everyone, I am Dr. Furkan Yüzükara. Today I am going to make a box opening and review of HyperX QuadCast USB microphone. This is a new microphone that I have purchased to improve sound quality of my further videos that I am going to publish in this channel. So hopefully you will enjoy more from my videos with better sound quality in future. The exact model of the microphone is HX-MICQC-BK. Okay, so let's start with opening it. I will also make a comparison with my current microphone, as you can see here. It is Boya by M1 model. Okay, I will also put a link of it in the description so you can compare it, and I will also compare with the sound of my phone which I am recording right now. It is Xiaomi Poco X3 Pro. Okay, so this is what comes out of the box. They have made a sturdy box. Okay, wow. All right, as you can see, it's a pretty big microphone. It looks solid, high quality. Okay, it has the necessary items to connect to a desk handler, I suppose. Okay, it is the product of Kingston. All right. The features it has is listed in the behind of the box. Let me show you. All right. We can say that it has stereo mode for vocal instruments, voice instruments. It has omni-directional mode for multi-person podcast, conference calls. It has cardioid for podcast, streaming, voiceovers and instruments, and it has bidirectional for face-to-face interviews. You can change the mode from here very easily. Okay, like this. All right, and it has USB connection and jack connection. It comes with a USB cable like this, and okay. All right, now I will try to connect this microphone into my phone, and then we will see the sound quality of it. If I cannot connect it to my phone, then I will continue from recording in my computer. Before connecting the phone, connecting the new microphone, let's try with the sound of my phone itself. How does it sound? Okay, currently I am recording sound with my phone itself, and this is how it sounds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. And now we are going to see the sound recording with the new microphone that I have just purchased. Okay everyone, it turns out that this microphone is not supporting mobile phones, therefore I will continue from my PC. It is compatible with PC, PlayStation 5, PlayStation 4 or Mac and such devices. It has a jack input where you could put aux cable, male to male aux cable and connect it to your mobile phone, but it is not working. This jack input is for only hearing your own sound through an earphone, I have tried this kind of aux cable. Currently I am recording without any filters or noise suppression or such things with OBS Studio, so that you can compare this sound with my previous recording with Boya by M1 model microphone, or with my phone's own sound recording, which is Poco X3 Pro. Okay, now I will open the noise suppression filter and let's see how it works. Okay, now I have enabled noise suppression as I am showing right now in this picture. So my sound will be much more clear and easier to hear. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Hopefully my future videos in programming will be much better, will have much better sound quality. I have a lot of courses in my mind, such as .NET Core Web API or fully entity framework or MS SQL queries and such. We also now have a new Patreon page, so if you support us in here, I appreciate that. It will help me to become a full-time online instructor. You can access it with SA courses like this, or you can click our link on our YouTube page. I hope you have enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Hopefully see you in a new software engineering related video with the new microphone and better sound quality.